How to make a cast fossil. Here's what you need: an art tray, plaster of Paris, measuring spoons, paper cups, a popsicle stick, modeling clay, a shell, water, scissors, and a marker. To get started, ask a grown-up to help you cut the top off a small paper cup, leaving only the bottom. Warm up the modeling clay with your hands, then press it into an even layer in the bottom of the cup, leaving no spaces. Grab your shell and gently but firmly press the shell into the clay. Use the popsicle stick to carefully lift the shell back out if it is a little bit stuck. Look at the imprint the shell left behind. Label a small paper cup with the word plaster. Then scoop and level the teaspoons of plaster of Paris into the cup. Label a small paper cup with the word water. Fill and scoop the teaspoons of water into the cup. It's easier to fill a small bowl with water, then scoop out the water with the measuring spoon. This step is super important. Slowly stir the plaster powder with the popsicle stick into the water. Keep stirring until smooth, then let it sit for a few minutes until it becomes thick like pancake batter. Use the popsicle stick to help you gently pour the plaster mixture into the shell imprint. Make sure the plaster covers all the modeling clay. Place your cup on a flat surface and let it sit overnight to let it dry. Then you are ready to rip off the cup and modeling clay to reveal the shell cast fossil. It's pretty cool that you can see the details from the original shell in your cast fossil, just like how cast fossils were created millions and millions of years ago.